Here's the Miraculous of the dog, which grants the power to fetch and return whatever your ball has touched.
I'm sorry, but I can't do that to Chloe.
It's not Chloe out there. It's Penalty. Don't you want to set her free?
If it's to save Chloe, then yes. Besides, I love soccer.
Hi, I'm Bark, and I'm your Kwame.
Adrian Agrest, here is the Miraculous of the dog, which will grant you the power to locate and fetch whatever your ball has touched. You will use it for the greater good, then you will return it to me. Can I trust you? If you're doubting yourself, then trying is the only way you can gain the confidence you need.
Hi, I'm Bark, the Kwame of Adoration. I'm so happy to have a new holder. You and I can play ball. All you have to say is Bark on the hunt.
With pleasure.
Alex Kubdel, here is the Miraculous of the dog, which will grant you the power to recover whatever your ball touches.
The dog Miraculous? Wasn't my thing time travel?
Monarch has stolen the Miraculous of the rabbit. We need your help to get it back.
Hi! Hey, don't touch that! Sorry, I just love volleys.